Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Etsy vlog slash how-to. But of course we are going to need my coffee before I get started. I'm going to be working on a bulk order of 30 stickers. Now here I'm just printing them out to get them ready to cut. And now I'm going to load them into my Cricut. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through this so we can get to the main topic of this video. The main topic for this video is me showing you guys how to ship stickers using a stamped envelope option for cheap. These are some of the stickers that I need to ship out. You're going to need this white envelope from Amazon and it's about 8 cents. You're also going to need some forever stamps, which you can get from USPS either online or at a post office. These will be 55 cents. This next part is optional, but it's to include a thank you card. This one I made myself, but if you can't make it yourself, I have an option of thank you cards in my shop if you are interested. It includes your logo and website and social media handles. Next part is to include a return label. You can either make them yourself like I do, or you can purchase some that are already cut and you just have to print it. You can find these on Amazon. This part is optional again, but I like to include a little stamp at the edge just to make it more personal. I use this ink pad, which is also from Amazon, and this stamp that I found at a thrift shop, but you can also find at any craft store. You're also going to need some clear envelopes to protect your stickers. I bought these from Papermart, but I found some on Amazon that are basically around the same size. The ones from Amazon are basically 7 cents per envelope. I'm going to finish off this video by showing you how I'm packaging my stickers. I also wanted to mention, if you wanted to make your own thank you cards, the cardstock that I have in the description, it's about 7 cents per page. Or if you wanted to purchase some thank you cards from my small business, it would come out to 50 cents per thank you card. Everything mentioned in this video will be linked in the description down below. Here is the breakdown of the two options that I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this content and want to watch similar content, please be sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!